In the 18 years my wife and I have been married, we've used paper plates or washed dishes. With the increasing costs of paper products and my wife being busier with our young children, it was time to upgrade to a dishwasher. The dishwasher is going to be a part of our island that will replace our table and chairs. Our house was built in the 1920s, so it took a little patience and time to get everything level with the floor. This is the platform for the garbage cans that will slide in and out with the cabinet door. I used a couple coats of Bondo to cover up the screw holes and some of the imperfections. This video was filmed before I had my hiatal hernia surgery, so that's why you see me lifting this butcher block countertop. It's definitely something I shouldn't have been doing. If you want to learn more about electrical work, check out my electrical basics video or any of the videos in my electrical playlist linked in the description below. This dishwasher needed a 15 amp breaker. And because this area of my basement will never be finished, I decided to put the outlet up in the ceiling. I also decided to put the water shut off up in the ceiling as well. And this outlet is where I hook the dishwasher in. And right there is where the supply line goes up to the dishwasher. This is the dishwasher drain coming down. And earlier in the video you saw me put together the P-trap. We're definitely happy with how the island turned out. And we absolutely love our dishwasher. And it's also nice to have our garbage can out of sight. If you have any questions about the island build, please put them in the comments. And also like and subscribe if you like this video. Thanks for watching.